Hey guys! In this video, we will see how to view SD card files on an Android phone. Let's get started. What you need to do is simply go to the File Manager on your phone, scroll down, and you will find the option for the SD card at the bottom of the page. When you open it, you will be able to view all the files stored on your SD card. This method will help you easily access your SD card files without any additional steps. You can check your documents, videos, images, and other folders directly through the File Manager on your phone. Once you open the SD card option, it will display the available folders and files saved on your card, making it simple for you to manage and view them whenever needed. You can copy, move, or delete files directly from this section according to your needs. In this way, you can view your SD card files on your Android phone using the File Manager. And that's it. Thank you for watching.